Good evening to all my subscribers, my friends, and everyone tuning in for the first time. Welcome back to Mod Together. A couple of months back, I built this Speedmaster. I've been receiving comments that I can do something better with the watch straps because there's a gap at the top and bottom part of the watch case. So today, I would love to replace them with something better. So I'm upgrading my watch strap. Okay, with this watch strap, I will get to reduce or eliminate altogether the space in between the watch strap and the watch case. So let's not waste any more time and let's continue with the upgrading works. Okay, first let's remove the bottom part of the watch strap. It's off. Let me remove the watch strap. The pin of the watch strap, and off goes with the top strap as well. In come the new pair of watch strap. Insert the watch pin. Now this is relatively a very short video just to show you how to replace your watch strap. Just to test it so that it won't come off your wrist after you have put it on, so that you don't encounter a case whereby it slides off your wrist and drop onto the floor, and you do not want a situation whereby you crack the crystal of your watch. Okay, securely fasten. Turning it over to show you the end result. Very nice. Yeah, it's a much better watch strap than the previous one, although I like the previous one very much, but I think I'll stick with this for all the other builds as well. Actually, I bought myself some 5 pairs of these watch straps. Okay, if you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Yeah, very nice fit, feels very good. For those who have subscribed, have your bells notifications turned on. It's a very good tutorial. I'm sure you'll love it. Okay, if you have not subscribed, please press the subscribe button. Once you have subscribed, you get to enjoy many more nice videos in time to come. There you have it, a Seamaster with a proper set of watch straps. Thanks for watching and bye.